Hello, my name is Sidqi Nawari, majored in International Management Program, and today I will tell you about flood. A flood is an overflow of water that submerges land that is usually dry. In the sense of flowing water, the word may also be applied to the inflow of the tide. Flooding may occur as an overflow of water from water bodies, such as a river, lake, or ocean, in which the water overtops or breaks levees, resulting in some of water escaping its usual boundaries. Or it may occur due to an accumulation of rainwater on saturated ground in an aerial flood. Flood can also occur in rivers when the flow rate exceeds the capacity of the river channel, particularly at bends or meanders in the waterway. Floods often cause damage to homes and business if they are in the natural flood plains of river. Urban flooding. In urban areas, flood effect can be exacerbated by existing paved streets and roads, which increase the speed of flowing waters. Impervious surfaces prevent rainfall from infiltrating into the ground, thereby causing a higher surface runoff that may be in excess of local drainage capacity. Effect of flooding. The primary effect of flooding include loss of life and damage to buildings and other structures, including bridges, sewerage system, roads, and canals. Flood also frequently damage power transmission and sometimes power generation, which then has knock-on effect caused by the loss of power. This includes loss of drinking water treatment and water supply, which may result in loss of drinking water or severe water contamination. Damage to road and transport infrastructure may make it difficult to mobilize aid to those affected or to provide emergency health treatment. COVID-19. The COVID-19 pandemic, also known as coronavirus pandemic, is an ongoing pandemic of coronavirus disease 2019 caused by severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2. The outbreak was first identified in Wuhan, China in December 2019. The World Health Organization declared the outbreak a public health emergency of international concern on the 30th January and a pandemic on 11th of March. As of the 17th of May 2020, more than 4.65 million cases of COVID-19 have been reported in more than 188 countries and territories, resulting in more than 312,000 deaths. More than 1.7 million people have recovered. During this pandemic, the people were forced to not do social interaction. So what if there was a flood during the COVID-19 pandemic? The government must be more proactive in dealing with disasters that occur during this pandemic. In addition to the government, parties that are not affected by flood can also intervene to help flood-affected communities. For example, by providing assistance in terms of food and clothing. In addition, the government and the people who are not affected by floods can also provide clean water for flood victims.